Now, when we think about a push, what we're talking about is the concept of literally jumping into space, covering space towards the basket or at a defender. And so anytime we're talking about a push, we're talking about leaving the floor. Now, a typical push is I'm going off my outside foot because I need to gain momentum. And so if I was at a stop position, I want to gain momentum, I can do a quick stutter dribble, meaning I'm going to plant my outside leg during the dribble, and I'm going to push off this foot. The reason why I want to go off this foot, if possible, is because it allows me to keep my back foot behind. I don't have to re-change my stance. And so if I wanted to land in my drop position, I could push and land right where I'd want to land without having to really switch my feet out. And so right now, the push always acts as a drop unless I specified something different. And since I haven't, it's just a push into a shot, I should land in my drop where I know I could have drove, but we're into our shot. So what I want you to be able to do is drop as if you're going to drive, but then react into your shot. Now, if I'm using this dot set up right now in the mats, I want to be able to really see where I'm going. I don't want to necessarily step wide into the shot, even though that's not necessarily bad. You don't have to feel like you need to do that, because if I was to shoot, you typically come a little bit more underneath your hips. So if I was utilizing this, I would want to step in around the edge of the square to get myself underneath my hips into the shot. I don't have to feel like I'm on the dot. And so right now, we're going to push into our drop, feel like we could drive, and then access the shot. Now, from a timing standpoint, I want to be able to land in my drop and then finally pick up the ball as I'm stepping in, and then I can flow into the shot all in one motion. What I don't want to see you do is pick it up and then step, because a lot of times your timing will be thrown off, and from a game standpoint, the defender is already coming to you. And so the longer I can maintain my options to drive, cross, and pass, the better it will be to even get the shot off with great timing. Now, if I was going left, I'd obviously start at the same level of the cone. My left foot would be my outside foot, which is my push. And now I'm landing back foot, right foot would be my back foot on the blue, left foot would be on the red. I'm just maintaining that same stance. I'm landing in the drop. I'm stepping into the shot during the pickup, and then I'm off. So for your push to a shot, spread yourself out to different parts of the floor. Spend 20 minutes getting your shot from your push, different ranges. That's all up to you. Just make sure you understand how to access the shot out of this.